How to book series, fixed departure on Agent Bazar step-by-step process. Start by visiting agentbazar.in. Log in with your registered user ID and password. Once logged in, you'll see the home page dashboard. At the center of the page, find the section titled Fixed Flights from Routes, Search Destination. You'll see a selection of cities and available fixed departure. To see all available sectors, click on View All. In the search box titled Search Destination, enter your city name or airport code. For example, type BLR, and you'll see an image for Bangalore, or click on the image of the location. Click on your destination image, or search for it directly. A calendar will now appear. Black dates means available, red dates means not available. Select your number of passenger and date of travel. Then click on Search Flights. You'll now see only available series fares for your chosen route, for example, Bangalore to Guwahati. On the results page, you'll find two tabs, Book and View Fares. If View Fares appears, it means multiple series fare options are available for that flight. Click on Flight Details to see a pop-up with complete flight information. You'll see full information about that particular fare type. You can also check Fare Summary and Fare Rules. Click on Book to move to the next page. Complete your booking. On the right side, you'll see the Fare Summary. To check commission, click the eye icon. For a detailed fare breakup, click on Show Full Details. To hide fare breakup, click on Hide Full Details. Now fill in traveler names, contact information. You can tick to autofill agency details. Then click Continue. A pop-up will appear titled Review Passenger Details. Verify each name. Click Confirm to continue or edit name to make corrections. Then click Proceed. Now choose your payment method, like Agency Wallet, UPI, Credit, Debit Card, Net Banking. You may also fill agency internal remarks. Then click Proceed to pay. You'll see a pop-up to review passenger details again. If everything looks good, click Book Now. You'll now be redirected to the payment gateway. Choose and complete your payment method. Once payment is successful, you'll arrive at the booking confirmation page. To access or manage your booking, go to the top menu and click My Booking. Click on View Booking. You'll find options to print e-ticket, download, email ticket, invoice, cancel, add markup. Thank you for watching the video. To stay connected with the Agent Bazar community, follow our website and transform how you support your client at every stage of travel. To never miss a travel update, subscribe on YouTube.